This is a drone video, but I'll be giving away this iPhone at 1,000 subscribers, so do check back regularly. The DJI Mavic Mini is probably going to be the best-selling drone this year. Today, I'm going to set the home point in a restricted zone to see if it can return to home without first having to unlock this zone. If you don't know what that means, it's basically a safety measure DJI takes to prevent drones from entering airspace near airports, prisons, and other sensitive areas. There is a way to register and obtain permissions to unlock some of these airspaces, but I'm going to try to bypass all of that. If you take a look at one of my other videos where I tried to bypass this very restriction, you will see that I accidentally discover how to set the home point in a locked zone.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Just on a side note though, this loophole is being patched by DJI, and when the firmware is uploaded to the Mini, it will no longer take off without being connected to a satellite. For now though, I can. So let's take off and see if it will come back home once we leave the locked zone.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
While we're flying away, here's some information about my particular geozone. I live less than 100 meters or 300 feet from the edge of this 4-kilometer radius.
Authorization zone re-edged.
While this is certainly frustrating, I do appreciate DJI protecting my family from airplanes potentially getting drone interference directly above my house. Okay, so it looks like the Mini is just outside the zone. I'm gonna back up just a little more to ensure it gets a bit of momentum on the return to home path.
Go home.
Authorization zone re-edged.
Now here's a message I've never seen before. So apparently DJI has prepared for this potential loophole, and quite honestly, this does not surprise me. DJI has been in the drone business for some time, and they are the only name that comes to my mind when I think of drone. As you can see from the footage, I decided not to walk to my friend's backyard this time, but to be lazy, hop in my van, and drive to the next neighborhood to pick up my Mini. Even though I love testing for possible loopholes and messing about with my drone, please remember, always fly safely, obey the rules, and don't put anyone or any airplanes at risk. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and see you in the next one. Cheers.